The life of Al-Idrissi, a scholar of the world. Abu Abd Allah Muhammad al-Idrissi al-Qurtubi al-Hassani, better known as Al-Idrissi, was born in 1100 AD in Ceuta, a city on the north coast of Morocco. He hailed from a prestigious lineage descended from the Prophet Muhammad, reflecting his family's esteemed position. From a young age, Al-Idrissi displayed an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, immersing himself in the study of geography, history, and medicine. Driven by his passion for exploration, he embarked on extensive travels across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Al-Idrissi's journeys were not mere voyages of leisure. They were meticulous expeditions, fueled by a desire to document the world's diverse cultures and landscapes. He meticulously recorded his observations, gathering valuable insights into the geography, climate, and customs of the lands he visited. His travels took him to distant shores, from the bustling cities of the Islamic Golden Age to the courts of European monarchs. Throughout his adventures, Al-Idrissi's reputation as a brilliant scholar and keen observer grew, eventually reaching the ears of a powerful king. A royal commission, the genesis of a masterpiece. In the heart of the Mediterranean Sea lay the island kingdom of Sicily, ruled by the ambitious Norman king Roger II. Known for his patronage of the arts and sciences, Roger II sought to create a comprehensive map of the world, a masterpiece that would surpass all others in accuracy and detail. News of Al-Idrissi's exceptional knowledge and cartographic skills had reached the Sicilian court, piquing the king's interest. Impressed by Al-Idrissi's reputation, Roger II extended an invitation to the renowned scholar, commissioning him to create the most accurate and detailed map the world had ever seen. Intrigued by the challenge and recognizing the opportunity to consolidate his knowledge, Al-Idrissi accepted the king's offer. He arrived in Palermo, the Sicilian capital, in 1138 AD, where he was welcomed with open arms. Roger II provided Al-Idrissi with an unparalleled collection of resources, including a dedicated team of geographers, cartographers, and translators. The Tabula Rogeriana, a map like no other. Under the patronage of King Roger II, Al-Idrissi embarked on his ambitious project, drawing upon his extensive travels and the collective knowledge of his team. The result of their collaboration was the Kitab Nuzhat al-Mushtaq fi Iktiraq al-Afaq, better known as the Tabula Rogeriana in Latin, completed in 1154. This remarkable work consisted of a world map and an accompanying text, representing a pinnacle of medieval cartography. The most striking feature of Al-Idrissi's map was its unconventional orientation. Unlike most European maps of the time, which placed north at the top, the Tabula Rogeriana depicted the world with south at the top. This unique perspective reflected the influence of Islamic cartography, which often used south as the primary cardinal direction. The map was divided into 7 latitudinal climate zones, each meticulously illustrated with details of cities, rivers, mountains, and coastlines. Section 4. Challenging Conventions, Al-Fin, and the Shape of the World. Al-Idrissi's work did not exist in a vacuum. It was part of a broader intellectual tradition that included the contributions of other scholars, such as the Muslim astronomer Al-Fin. Living in Baghdad a century before Al-Idrissi, Al-Fin had already challenged the prevailing belief in a flat Earth. Through his astronomical observations, Al-Fin proposed that the Earth was spherical, a revolutionary idea that influenced Al-Idrissi's cartographic approach. Al-Fin's work, along with the observations of other astronomers, provided a scientific basis for understanding the Earth's true shape. While Al-Idrissi's map was not perfectly spherical, it reflected a growing awareness of the Earth's curvature. This departure from traditional flat Earth models demonstrated the increasing sophistication of Islamic cartography and its influence on the development of geographical knowledge. Section 5. A Legacy of Exploration, Al-Idrissi's Enduring Impact. Al-Idrissi's Tabula Rogeriana was not merely a beautiful work of art. It was a groundbreaking achievement in the history of cartography. The map's accuracy, detail, and unique perspective challenged existing European conceptions of the world, providing a more comprehensive and nuanced view of distant lands. For centuries, the Tabula Rogeriana served as a valuable resource for explorers, geographers, and scholars, influencing the course of exploration and discovery. The map's influence extended far beyond the royal court of Sicily. Copies of the Tabula Rogeriana circulated throughout Europe and the Islamic world, inspiring generations of cartographers and fueling the age of exploration. Christopher Columbus, for example, is believed to have consulted Idrissi's work during his voyages, highlighting the enduring legacy of the Arab geographer's contribution to our understanding of the world. Section 6. The world turned upside down, shifting perspectives. Idrissi's decision to place south at the top of his map was not merely an aesthetic choice. It was a powerful statement that challenged Eurocentric views of the world. By inverting the traditional orientation, Idrissi disrupted the notion of Europe as the center of the world, presenting a more inclusive and multifaceted perspective. This shift in perspective had profound implications for the way people understood their place in the world. The Tabula Rogeriana served as a reminder that there were multiple ways of seeing and representing the world, each with its own cultural and historical context. It challenged the idea of a single, absolute truth in cartography, emphasizing the importance of considering diverse perspectives. Idrissi's work paved the way for a more interconnected and nuanced understanding of global geography, recognizing the richness and complexity of human civilization across the globe.